So guys, I just heard about the death of Ibu, the great Nollywood comedian. As you all know, Ibu is from Enugu State. He's actually from Kano, which is also my local government area. And his death is very, very painful because I know he was a very seasoned actor and he put smiles on a lot of people's faces. Well, it is what it is. May his soul rest in peace. But I have very fond memories of Ibu, and I want to comment in this whole drama about his death and all the other stories that followed it. I want to commend the efforts of the president of the Actors Guild of Nigeria, Mr. Roland, and then a lot of other people who played a major role, including Doris Hogala and so many other people. I will not want to mention their names right now. A lot of you know that I didn't feature a lot of the stories surrounding Ibu because I knew that I had some background information, and the most important thing to me was that he got healed, but unfortunately he didn't make it. But this video that you're going to watch now was my encounter with Ibu so many years ago when I was the president of the Enugu State Association in Canada, and I had invited him to a conference we were holding, and he promised to come, but it wasn't possible for him to get his visa because of the time between when the event was taking place and the time needed for him to get his visa. So I just want to say rest in peace, Ibu, and we'll always remember all the fond memories that you availed us to with your funny skits and your funny statements. Like in this video now, he was talking about people helping out their brothers and sisters in Nigeria from the diaspora. Watch the video as we mourn the loss of Mr. Ibu. Ego mwana nọ na Canada.
Onye ọbụla baba mbọ. Onye ọbụla baba mbọ. Finish.
Ọgwụcha.
Onye ọbụla chụta ibe ọ na-eri. O were debe nyere ụmụnne aka. Nwe ndị nọ na ya dị na-eche broda. Si were ka erie ma ọ bụ ahazie biznes ebe ụmụ nwanne ga-esi wee lụta ego nke ha.
Yes.
Sọsọ oriri adịrọ mma na ewere alụta ego ọzọ.
Yes.
Onye ka mma.
Thank you.
Agbara aka azapụ Mike.
Bye.